Okay, today got a Peterbilt cabover. Yeah, she's even got a pretty big bunk on it. Most of them are, what, foot less than that. So, yeah, she looks good. It's got nice paint on it. A little bit on the dirty side, but then, still getting used. Got a few million bugs stuck to the front of it. Yeah, looks pretty damn good, man. Yeah, she's in good shape. Ah, sweet. Yeah, she's in nice shape, man. Let me see what's under the hood here or not. Oh, what do we got under the hood? I'm guessing seems like a 3406 cat of some sort by the look of it. And that's going to do it for this one today.